So I figured I'd end this video talking about solenoids. I mean, I've done a bunch of videos on solenoids. Why not end this video talking about solenoids, like our official test asset? So I'm just going to delete that cube, and we're just going to have some fun here. In fact, I should start off in 2.82. All right, here we go. I got Blender for Steam right here. And this one's been updated to be the actual official latest version of Blender. So we'll just open that up. And so my prefs are going to say left click, search, and save new settings. And I'll go ahead and fit this to fit inside a view. You can see Batman as my wallpaper. And we'll just stretch that to fit real quick. Looking good. So we'll go under preferences here, add-ons, install, and we'll go ahead and install two of my favorite plugins. First, hardops, the latest version, _7, and we'll enable that. Sometimes it takes a moment, but you definitely don't want to click this too many times or else you may get an error. And we'll go ahead and install boxcutter, _18, and just get that thing enabled as well. So now let's just go through our settings here, just setting up things that I'm used to. Under theme, I like to go under 3D view and make my object selection something else. So I've been making it blue, but you know what? I'm feeling green nowadays. We're just going to be green. Just like that, I've changed. No longer blue. Green team, guys. I'm one of y'all now. So if we go under viewport, we can set our multi-sampling up because I got a 2080 in here. So I want to experience the heat. And I finally am on a new computer as well. Under add-ons, I want to at least make sure that edit mesh tools is enabled. I love that thing. In fact, if we go through our add-ons, we can just make sure, I love snapping pies. You may not have snapping pies, but it is available online if you are interested. Just the way that I prefer to snap. And we're just going down here, locating loop tools, F2. And I'd love to enable decal machine as well, but for the purposes of this demo, we'll just keep it simple. And under system, we'll make sure to enable everything possible here. Under save and load, under recent files, we'll set that to be 30. Timer 0, auto run Python scripts. This is essential. I don't like a save prompt whenever I exit, but we'll go ahead and enable that or disable that. And when I close preferences, everything's going to be saved. So I could press Shift H and that will do it. So if I were to save startup file and exit, you think it would load up exactly like that next time? It's not. This is going to be on another freaking monitor up here. So that's just life. So what I like to do is actually lower this thing down and lower it down enough. This is for multi-monitor setups, guys. And then save my startup file. And then from there, next time I launch it, it should at least be in a reasonable location. So I mean, Blender, that's as good as it gets right there.